Welcome. So in this video I want to show you guys how to apply for YouTube monetization. Now when you are eligible to apply, you will see the apply button here, right? You don't need someone else to do it for you. You can do it by yourself. So it will come up in this form. This is the platform that you will see, right? So now the what you will see, then you click on apply now. So once you click on that apply now, so you see where this wrote review based terms. Read these terms carefully as this apply to your participation in the YouTube partner program, right? So you click on start. Now if you read all through this, you take your time and go through all of this. So you will read it all through, and once you are done reading and understanding what it entails, then you click on I accept the base terms. You click on accept. Now once you click on accept, it will take you to another stage, which is the sign up for AdSense for YouTube. Now at this stage, you will now create an AdSense account for YouTube account or connect an existing account to your channel. Now you need an AdSense for YouTube account to monetize and get paid. So after the number 2, once you are done with the AdSense creation, your channel will go under review. Now this time is the number 3 is when they now check if you have any copyrighted content, any reused content, any content that is not truly yours. Now it will be advisable that you remove it before you start this whole processes. Remove it for like 24 hours before you start your application. Please bear in mind that once you delete any video, in most times it will reduce your watch hours. So delete it for like 24 hours or even a week before the application, so that the value of the deleted content will not affect your real watch hour, right? So having said that, then you click on start. Now you now decide if you have an existing AdSense account or YouTube AdSense account. So if you don't have, you go to create one. Now I might decide to link it with my own account, but the problem of linking with one account is that if one gets copyrighted, it will affect the other AdSense, especially if you are running 2 or 3 accounts on YouTube. It's advisable you use different AdSense accounts, because one might have issue and it will affect the other channel, right? So if you have 2 channels that you're posting content, except you're very certain and sure that you are going to post only your own content on both platforms. But if by peradventure you take content online to edit and post and you don't have the rights to those contents, on the long run you might get copyright or strike, and once they strike one AdSense channel, it will affect the other channel earnings. In most cases you might even lose the earnings. So it's safer to create a new AdSense account, except you thought otherwise. Then you click on next, right? And then it will take you to Chrome. So on the Chrome version, it's now where you gently create your AdSense account by choosing the mail associated with the channel that you have been monetized on, right? So this is the step you can undergo to create AdSense account. Don't forget, if you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, drop your questions, and subscribe to my channel. So here you say continue with this account. You already linked to an existing Google product. Associate this account with your YouTube channel for easy setup, or use a different account to connect to AdSense for YouTube. So you read through all of this, and then this is the existing account of the AdSense. Then you click on continue, right? And this is my channel, and then you click on setup account. Now it will redirect you to your YouTube channel. So you click on redirect to YouTube channel, and then it will take you back to a channel to connect. So your review is in progress, right? So this is how to apply. I have already created an account initially with this, So that is why it's going through these processes. So if you have not created an account before, it will bring a form where you fill in your details, your address, your name, your payment details, and every other thing, and make sure that you must use a dollar account if your value of your earnings are in dollars, or if you want to select in naira, use a naira account. If you want to select in pounds, use a domiciliary account. So it's simple to get it. You just have to go to your bank, ask them that you want to open a USD account. So once they give it to you, you now use it for applications. So then, I am not trying to make an advert for banks, but the banks I am certain about are Access Bank and EcoBank. Some people still use UBA, Zenith Bank. This is not an advert for any of these banks, but I'm just trying to tell you the banks I can recommend. The two best banks I can recommend is Access Bank and EcoBank. So these two are the ones I use, and I can strongly guarantee that they are good in making your payments faster and more reliable. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. I'll also show you guys when they approve this. It takes like 3 to 5 working days to get this approved. So once you apply, you have to go and relax, but still keep on posting content. Don't wait for this to get approved. Keep on posting. Your payment will come once you get approved. And bear in mind, your earnings will start from the moment you get approved. All the views that you got initially are just for you to qualify for this application. So you're not going to be paid for those past views you have gotten. The views you got is to bring you to this stage of application. So the next minute view you will get after your approval is what they will now start counting for you for payment. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.